So I'm an avid cigar smoker, and I use like a butane torch lighter in order to light my cigars. I don't like the idea of using matches, which I know is kind of the traditional way to do it. For me, it's a pain in the butt trying to light a cigar with a match, especially on a golf course in the wind, whatever. So I use those flame torches, and I need to refill the butane occasionally. So I've been doing research online to find what is maybe the cleanest, most pure butane, because it's important when you're buying butane for your lighter that you don't use some generic cheap butane, because the flavors or the odors of the butane can actually be infused into the cigar when you light it, and then your cigar might not taste as good. So you need to make sure you get a really high quality bit of butane. So after doing research, I have landed on this company. This is Colibri, and it's premium butane refills for your lighter. It just comes with a really simple little tip that goes into the bottom of most lighters to just refill the butane inside of that lighter. And for me, so far, I've liked them. I was really surprised to see how big they were when I first bought them. It comes in a 3-pack, and I just assumed it would be one of those kind of little bottles of butane, and it's not. They're humongous. So this 3-pack, which is very reasonably priced, is going to keep my lighters full for a long time moving forward. But more importantly than that, it's flavorless and odorless, so it's not going to impose any gross flavors onto whatever you're lighting. In my case, cigars. So that was what was most important for me, and I found it here. So I'm a big fan. This is what I use. And if you are looking for a quality, odorless, tasteless, very high quality butane, this is what I enjoy, and I would definitely recommend.